Alright guys, I was able to get it off finally. It was definitely a pain in the ass. Let me grab that clip. Alright, so it's connected like this, and it was attached to that metal clip right there. And so you gotta press up on this tab right here. Press up on this tab, push it down, and then you also had a clip at the bottom here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but like this, sorry. There's a clip at the bottom here, which goes on this metal bracket right here, and it connects and holds it in place so it's not flopping around and stuff. So yeah, it's time for this to be swapped out anyway. So I mean, this car only has 75,000 miles on it, and it was stolen a code, so I mean, it's either this upstream O2 sensor, or it's this, you know, catalytic converter, which I'm taking this thing to the exhaust shop as soon as I get my muffler in. So let's put this back together and see if we can't get this check engine light to turn off. It's you know, I think it's alright, let's do it. Fuck it. Here's the new one. And you can get these locally at the parts store. I don't know what you guys have around you, but I go to AutoZone and O'Reilly's. Went to O'Reilly's for this one, and it was $180. It's a Denso one, so it's, I guess, close to OEM. I don't know. Looks way better than my other one. So let's go ahead and put this in. Denso, they supply you know, thread lube and stuff. So I usually just use stuff for spark plugs, but whatever you guys want to use. So